name is Karthik Ishwar. I go to Chetinath Harishri Vidyalayam, a school in Chennai. I'm in 8th grade. So far, I have written the essay test 4 times. If I include the second level essay test which I took, I've been taking the essay test from 6th grade. The essay test helps deepen my understanding of these concepts, and I learn when to apply these concepts in reality and in everyday life, as it gives real life situations. After taking the essay test, I have become more interested in the field on subjects related to sciences, such as biology, physics, and chemistry.
Right.
Just seeing, I looked at the questions and then I read about the topics, and it made me interested in the topics. Because one of my hobbies is reading a lot of books and researching about various topics. So after doing the essay test, it inspired me to pursue my hobby, so I would read more and research more to learn about more topics. Practically many genres, non-fiction, fact books. My favorite author is J.K. Rowling. At first I thought the essay test would be stressful, but it's not stressful at all. Actually, it just gives us students, people, an opportunity to test how much they know and improve and find out where we are placed among other students our age. After writing the normal essay test, I was interested in what sort of questions would be in the above level essay test, so I wanted to write it to find out what type of questions they'd ask and how to expand my knowledge. The summer studies program was very useful and it was very fun because we had lots of activities, lots of games, and we met a lot of new people our age, and they all were nice and they all were like-minded mostly. It was also educational because we learned how to stay away from our houses by ourselves in a dormitory. In the TIP Summer Studies program, I took the Physics of Propulsion course, in which they taught us about the physics of launching a rocket into space. It was interesting as it taught us about rockets and how they have to be designed. The instructors were very nice and kind. They helped teach us more and they cultivated our interests in the subject. Like if we had any doubts, we could ask them and they'd help us. I was extremely happy that I had topped the ESSA Talent Search exam, and me and my family celebrated by going out of town.
See, when he was young, as a parent, I used to work with him on some complex math problems and stuff, and I realized he could apply the concepts on his own, what he was introduced before, and he could solve quite a bit of complex problems. So that's when I realized he can do a lot more. So we started introducing him to more complex math especially, and then introduced him to other subjects as well. When I was introduced about the ASCENT, I was really happy about it because I was looking for all kinds of opportunities for Karthik to prove his skills and for him to improve his skills. So I definitely wanted him to take the ASCENT exam. And my main emphasis was he should not look at the results or the marks. He should take the opportunity to learn. He may not know something, but he should come back and learn more about it. Probably I would say 50% is in it. More because he can grasp concepts quickly and he has a pretty good concentration power. The other 50%, I just wanted to utilize the skills he has. So I tried to introduce him to various topics. Whenever he gets an opportunity to take up a talent exam, I would encourage him to take it. And obviously always we emphasize not to look at the results. I felt for any child that is a very important thing, not to look for the results. Instead, that's when they'll be interested in learning more. I was very happy, honestly. I knew he had pretty good strengths, but this was a surprise also, being in the top 1%, he topping is, that itself is it's a surprise, and I was very, very happy about that. And I felt this is a very good encouragement for him specifically, and he'll be even more motivated to take up such things and to enhance his skills.
Definitely we were very happy about that. A lot of credit goes to Karthik as well as his mom, my wife Indu. From the beginning, he used to sit with him and to teach math. I think that is paying off.
I think the ASCENT team is really great. Honestly, even I have not heard about ASSET before because when he started into 6, that's when I learned about ASSET as well. But I think it's a great initiative by the team to approach the schools and give the kids these opportunities for them to write the exam. And even after that, when he became the scholar, the ASSET team contacted me to inform about it, and they were really nice to accommodate the time and everything. I really appreciate the whole team. All of us as a family, we really appreciate the ASSET team.